Hi my dear students, today we are going to tell about electric current part 9, that is parallel connection of resistance. Parallel connection of resistance. So here one see this condition of parallel connection of resistance. Two or more than resistors are said to be connected in parallel. Same potential, different gets applied across each of them. So here it is a circuit. The current is travels always positive terminal to negative terminal of the battery. So here how many terminals we have? Two terminals. What are they? One is A, another one is B. So how many resistors are here? R1 resistor, R2 resistor, R3 resistor. So how many potential different here? Two potential different. One is A, another one is B. So R1, R2, R3 resistor. If these three resistor current flows are same, so that means the potential different is getting same. So here, so it is a electric current is IP1, here IP2, so here IP3. So why we are writing P? P is nothing but here parallel connection. Parallel connection. So here R1, R2, R3 resistor, individual current is IP1, IP2, IP3 and same potential, that is A and B. This resistor and this resistor, three resistors connected one end, that is A, and remaining end connected another point B. So here the potential different is same, all the resistor in between A and B potential different. So as you know, here in these situations the switch will be on. So in this situation the circuit is closed. Okay, it is closed circuit. Okay, in this current flows positive terminal to via three resistors, negative terminal of the battery. So here according to I is equal to, so IP is equal to IP1 plus IP2, so plus IP3. So we know this, as you know, Ohm's law, from Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. From Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. From I is equal to V by R. From Ohm's law, V by R. So here IP1. So from this equation, IP is equal to IP1 is equal to V by V by R1. Okay, in this situation IP1 is equal to, so in this situation we are applied to that Ohm's law, first resistor R1 and current is IP1, so potential different is V. So it is equation 1, it is equation 2, and IP2 is equal to V by R2, V by R2. It is a second resistor R2, potential different is IP2, sorry, electric current is IP2, and third resistor IP3, so potential different is same, and R3. So it is equation 3. So equation 2 comma 3 comma 4 equation we are substituting in first equation. So according to we know this, so IP1 is equal to V by R1, IP2 is equal to V by R2, IP3 is equal to V by R3. So then IP is equal to what will get? V by R. Okay, from here IP is equal to what will write? V by R is equal to IP1 is equal to V by R1 plus IP2 is equal to V by R2 plus IP3 is equal to V by R3. So here V is common. So have we write V into 1 by R is equal to V is common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. From this equation V get cancelled. Finally what we'll get? 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So from this it is known as parallel connection in resistance. From this here we are writing, so R is as you know equivalent resistor, equivalent resistance. So 1 by R means reciprocal. The reciprocal of equivalent resistor is equal to, sum of individual of equivalent. So individual of, so first one is the reciprocal of equivalent resistor is equal to sum of individual reciprocal of resistance is called a parallel connection of resistor. So as you know, previous class we know that R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R value is always is greater than the R1 comma R2 comma R3. But here 1 by R value is less than the 1 by R1 comma R2 comma R3. So in this situation, in the parallel connection, R is less than R1 comma R2 comma R3. So that is our condition. From this equation, how can we write the reciprocal of equivalent resistor is equal sum of, plus symbol is represent sum of individual reciprocal of resistance. So this is the parallel connection of resistance. One see this. So two or more than resistors said to be in connection, parallel connection, same potential means A and B potential different across each resistor of ends with A terminal and B terminal. So here, as you know, from the switch will be on, that is closed circuit. The current is passed to this direction through via R1, R2, R3 resistor from the negative terminal of the battery. From Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, then I is equal to V by R. So here the potential difference is common. So V is constant. In this situation, the current is individual of different resistor. How it is? IP is equal to P is here. P is the parallel connection. P is parallel. So IP is equal to IP1 plus IP2 plus IP3. So V is equal to IR. From I is equal to V by R. So IP1 is equal to V by R1. So here IP1 is equal to V is constant R1. So IP2 is equal to V by R2. So in this situation IP3 is equal to V by R3. So these three equations are substituted in equation 1. V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So V is common. V get cancelled. Finally 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. It is parallel connection of resistor. So reciprocal reciprocal resistance is equal to the sum of the individual reciprocal of resistance. Thank you.